This is how to use Leonardo AI for beginners. So this is the main page. Here is our account. This is how many tokens we have a day. If they go to 0, we cannot generate more photos. If we want more tokens, we have to buy a subscription, but you can try Leonardo AI for free. Leonardo AI offers pre-trained models that we can use. In the AI models section, you can browse through models, each suited for tasks like image generation, style transfer, and more. Let's try generating an image with one of the models. I like this one. Right now, Leonardo will give you a free tutorial. If you want, you can pause and read the messages. On the left side, we can see how we can adjust the image. You can choose the size of the image, how many images to generate, and you can decide for which platform do you want to be the photo. It can be for a phone or whatever you need. It can be for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, but I would choose this one. These are the advanced settings. I would explain it to you in a different video. Here you can tell Leonardo, what image do you want to create? For example, I would create a samurai. You can go ahead and write whatever you want. You must wait for it to be generated, but I will double the speed in the clip so you don't have to wait. After we have created the image that we want, we can click on the one that we like the most. I personally like this one. We can see the format of the image. From here, we can choose in which folder we want the image to be saved. To click this, the photo will be downloaded. You can copy the image from this button. We can unzoom it for free. Let's go ahead and try it. Now it is unzoomed. At first, maybe you are thinking that there is no big difference between them, but if you look carefully, you will see tower behind the samurai a lot clearly when it is unzoomed. I think unzoomed photos will be good for thumbnails. Let's remove the background now. Leonardo has done a pretty good job with removing the background. Only the left hand can use a little bit more work. In the left bottom, we can switch between original, no background, and unzoomed. I think no background won't be that useful because Leonardo is giving you one of the best backgrounds from the AI softwares that are in Google. If you want to upscale the image, you need a premium account. I am pretty sure that if we buy the lowest possible account, we can use upscale. If I was going to buy any subscription, I would buy this one for $12 per month because you can do almost anything in the app and it is pretty cheap.